Guys, we're going to talk about surface area today. Surface area is similar to composite figures. The difference is surface area is with a 3D shape, where a composite figure, that find the area of the composite figures, was your flat shape. So surface area is the sum of the surfaces or faces of a 3D figure. And so sum. So we're going to go back and we're going to have to add at some point. So as you can see, we have a rectangular prism. And this rectangular prism, it has three measurements that it's providing. So 10 centimeters, which means this line is 10 centimeters. This one, these four, are all 10 centimeters. And then we have our height, which is 3 centimeters. There's the four lines for 3 centimeters. As well as our width. Sometimes this yellow doesn't show up well. But our width is 2 centimeters. So that's our measurements that are provided. So the first thing you will do is draw 3 rectangles over to the side. And we don't have to make it perfect. So this will be our front and back. So the front of the shape and the back of the shape. This will be the top and bottom. This will be the left and right. So our front and back, if you were to cover up what you can, the front and back is made up with a blue line. So the front, a blue line. And it's also made up with our purple line. Well, purple is our height of 3, blue is 10. For top and bottom, if you cover up and you just look at the top, you have a blue and a yellow. And again, blue represented 10, yellow represented the 2. And then our left and right, which was, our height was purple. You cover up again, you see the purple and the yellow. And the yellow. The yellow represented the 2, purple 3. So when you're thinking about this, you have the front side, which is that measurement, and you also have the back side. So there's 2 of these. The top and bottom, same thing. You have a top, which is 1, and the bottom. So 2 of these exact pictures, if we were to draw it again. And same thing with left and right. So once you have your measurements, then all you're doing is area equals base times height. So we have 10 times 3. Same thing here. 10 times 2. And then 2 times 3. And we know 10 times 3 is 30, 20, and 6. So that is our area for, technically this is just the area for the front. This would be the area for the top, the area for the left. Now we need to figure out what we're going to do to get the area of the other 3 sides, because we've got front, top, left. Now we need to get back, bottom, right. Well, to do that, all you need to do is multiply by 2. Each of these numbers. And this 2 here, that's the number of faces we have, which means front and back. This 2 means top and bottom. This 2 means left and right. When we multiply, we get 60, 40, and 12. And then, like our composite figures, our last step is to add. So we add, and 60 and 40 is 100, plus 12 would be 112. So the surface area, SA, equals 112 centimeters squared. Area square. And that's how you find the surface area of a rectangular prism.